Traders, Brian here with A Plus Setups. It's Thursday, August 6th, 2026, and this is our live session recap for the day. Another really fun day of trading. We had 5 winners, 1 loser, 1 break even, and this was all inside of, I don't know, I think 30 to 40 minutes. First 30 to 40 minutes. I had to leave early today from the live session for an appointment, but man, it was so much fun. It felt like I was at the carnival. That's just how much fun we had today trading. Let's get into how we actually did it. All right. Again, let me familiarize you with my charts. On the left here is a compressed 36.6 Ninjarenko bar chart. We have the A plus triple focus indicator here. This is what we use to trade divergences from the extreme. I don't trade any other divergence. It has to register an extreme before I'm interested. Those tend to be, based on statistics, just better divergence trades to take. All right, the chart on the right here, this is my, I have 2 charts up. This is the GHL color bar chart with the top and bottom picker. And then here is the chart with the GHL color bars on it, but we also have this is the chart where it's our flagship model that has the all of our categorized setups. You can see the software printing. There's a jiggle and a 108, a jiggle and a 108 firing there. We only take the ones that fire inside of our framework. We have to have a long or short bias. We have to have a timing window of some type, and then we just, whatever setup fires inside of those is what we actually take. All right, so that's the 2 charts that we have here up on the execution side of the house, the how side of the house. And our framework is reason, when, and how. Everything we do fits inside that framework. Let's look at today's trades. Right off the bat, I mean, a minute before, I was telling everybody, hey, I'm staging a long entry, a buy stop right here at the GHL flip. Because we have a divergence. And sure enough, we got the quick scalp-a-doodle, came down, and then that was a quick sweep, and she went on. But we got a quick scalp win right off the bat. First, we actually came out 3 seconds before the market opened. So it was a very, very fast trade. All right, so you can see over here that the divergence, higher low, lower low in prices. Okay, now we had the flip over here, higher high in prices, lower low in triple focus from the extremes. And our indicator highlights the extremes by painting the tool white anytime it gets above or below the thresholds we're looking for. Now this is where it was a lot of fun. So on the divergence, one of my rules now, since this is working so good, is to get immediately in on the GHL flip on a divergence. I did, but if it doesn't go immediately your way, get out on the first reversal bar. I did, and then reattack. If it's for this one, it was a lower high. I immediately reattacked. We got the win. We got set up right here for another lower high. I took that. Another good scalp. And then we had an alpha timing window that doesn't show on this chart. It's, tried to call this out in the room. I'm pretty sure I called this one out. We got in, it went our way, but we only got a break even on it. It put us in and then came back up and took us out for a break even. We got within a few ticks of the actual take profit. That's just the way trading goes. All right, so those are the first few trades. Again, we had 5 winners today, 1 loser, 1 break even. All right, so okay, here was the next trade. We had a beautiful alpha scalp, reverse mullet, and a 108. So we got in there. This played out so fast. I got a really bad entry, my own error, and then we got the scalp out right at the top. So, if you're trading multiples on this, you would have only gotten the scalp out of this one right here. So anyway, we skated by on that one. All right, next trade coming up, another divergence. Over here you can see higher high in prices, lower high in indicator, and this one we got in on the GHL flip, easy trades to get into, and we got the scalp right off the bat. Now that was it within the first 22 minutes of the market, and I think that was it. I lost track of how many. Yeah, that was it right there. So that's why I say this was a fun morning to trade. It was just action packed right after one trade set up, right after the other. And, of course, I trade a personal account as well. I only take one trade, one winner. That's what I do in my personal accounts. So that one came really quick, and I parked it. And these trades here are in a 50K eval. I'm trading over leveraged. I'm trading one NQ futures contract in a 50K eval. And by my capital ratio rules, that's highly over leveraged, but it's an eval, and you want to trade those, or I trade those very aggressively. So anyway, that is how we did it today. Again, a lot of fun. That puts us on the week at 19 wins, 5 losses, and 2 break-evens. Looking forward to tomorrow. If you have any questions, drop us a line on any of the tools we're using. As always, good luck in your trading. We'll see you in the next video, or hope to see you in the room. Have a good one.